Hey there everyone, Lucio here. For this tutorial, I will be showing you how to export the motive data into MotionBuilder using the C3D data format. So for this scene, if you recall from the previous video, we had ready all of our rigid bodies by labeling them, smoothing them out, and cleaning them to be ready for export. So what we're going to do is export them out by selecting the correct session folder that we do have. The correct folder I have selected is the session 2016_02_05. So we're going to select that. Now, when you open up a folder, you should have a list of take files. For this tutorial, we only have just the one take file of Owen_flight1. If it's not saved, it will not export. You can tell if it's not saved if there is a blue circle or a blue dot right by the name Owen_flight1. In order for you to save it and get it ready for export, we're going to hit save. That will remove the blue dot and you can export. So we're going to do export tracking data, and that will export everything within our viewport. So normally we do only export off in FBX file formats. However, for this purpose, we're only doing C3D. So C3D, axis convention. By default, it will be Visual 3D and Motion Monitor or MotionBuilder. For this purpose, we will just do MotionBuilder. Everything else should be good as a default. And keep in mind, the default for the exporting unlabeled markers will be set to true. We're going to set this off to false. That way we don't get any useless data we have no need for and that serves no purpose. So we're going to give it a name, or we're going to put flight_001. I'll save this into my downloads folder and export. There we go. Now I'm going to open up MotionBuilder 2023 and go to File, Import, Motion File Import. Select that, and I will select the file that I had just created. So flight_001. Make sure that both of these boxes are checked. And the up axis used in file, we're going to set this as Z axis. Import. There we go. So this is the scene that we do have. And we can see we have our markers exported out. And if we play through our scene, you can see what we had in MotionBuilder, we have in MotionBuilder. Alright, and that's all there is to it. Next video we'll cover on how to create constraints, how to apply objects, etc., just so that you can get a final end result. Thank you.